Welcome to Cybersecurity 101. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These attacks often aim to access, change, or destroy sensitive information, extort money, or interrupt normal business processes. Here are some key concepts you need to know to better understand the world of cybersecurity and how to protect your digital assets. Malware. Malicious software designed to harm or exploit any programmable device. This can include viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware, each with its own method of causing damage. Phishing. A method of trying to gather personal information using deceptive emails and websites. These attacks often appear legitimate, tricking users into providing sensitive data like passwords and credit card numbers. Firewalls. Security systems that control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. They act as a barrier between trusted and untrusted networks, helping to prevent unauthorized access. Encryption. The process of converting information or data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. This ensures that even if data is intercepted, it cannot be read without the proper decryption key. To stay safe online, it's crucial to be aware of the tools and practices that can protect you. Here are some essential tools and practices you should consider implementing. Antivirus software. This is your first line of defense. It protects your computer from viruses, spyware, and other malicious software that can compromise your data. VPNs. Virtual private networks provide secure internet connections, especially when using public Wi-Fi. They encrypt your data, making it difficult for hackers to intercept. Password managers. These tools help you create and store strong, unique passwords for all your accounts, reducing the risk of password-related breaches. Regular updates. Always keep your software and systems up to date. Updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. Strong passwords. Use complex passwords that combine letters, numbers, and symbols. Change them regularly to enhance security. Recognize suspicious emails. Be wary of emails asking for personal information or containing unexpected attachments. Always verify the sender's identity before responding. To dive deeper into cybersecurity, check out these resources. Books. Cybersecurity for Beginners by Rafe Mewis. Online courses platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer excellent beginner courses. Websites. Stay updated with cybersecurity news on sites like Cybersecurity Ventures and Krebs on Security. Cybersecurity offers various career paths, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities. Entry-level positions include roles like security analyst or IT auditor, where you can start building your foundational skills. With experience and continuous learning, you can advance to more specialized roles such as security engineer or even chief information security officer, also known as CISO, where you oversee the entire security framework of an organization. Earning certifications like CompTIA Security Plus and Certified Information System Security Professional, or CISSP, can significantly boost your career prospects and open doors to higher-level positions in the cybersecurity field. And that's a wrap on Cybersecurity 101. Remember, staying informed and vigilant is key. Happy learning and stay safe online.